Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. It was great to see you out at the house today. What a beautiful house. What a great community located in the Waterford community, heart of Charlotte, near South Park. It's just a great area to live in. Let's start out though by looking at the top of the chimney. So the top of the chimney, you can see it is a double flue chimney. This is your furnace flue on this side, fireplace. Both are capped, right? This fireplace is capped to keep the rain and stuff out, and also has a screen around to keep the birds and squirrels out. There are some cracks and holes and actual missing mortar in the crown of the chimney, and that's something your HOA should handle for you. A little exploration on that will net that, I'm sure. My experience has always been that the HOA will make those repairs. If we wander inside, we see it's an open fireplace with a working set of vented gas logs. These vented gas logs are manually operated. It was reported that there was a fine crack or even broken log in here. I couldn't find it, so I don't know where it was in there, but it doesn't matter. It's not a safety issue. It's not a performance issue. And in this case, it's not even a cosmetic issue. If I couldn't find it, you're not going to be able to find it. I was in there with a flashlight. So, firebox in average condition. We look at the damper. Now, always remember to keep the damper open for safety. We don't want any carbon monoxide spilling back into the room. There is a little block here, which is code required to prevent the homeowner from closing it. So that's a safety device, and it's present. Smoke chamber, which is the area where the gases of combustion roll before they go up the flue system. Everything looks consistent with the age of this house, and if you have questions for me, give me a call, 704-526-6348. Email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?